Go. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. He said 3 shots.
You said 3 shots.
Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. You're a fucking pussy.
No.
Shoot him again. Shoot him again. I want to hear him scream. Shoot him again. Oh, you fucking hit his head.
You alright? Oh, that fucking hurt. Ow. That hurt. You okay? Did you get me with a yellow one? Yeah, apparently. Is my hair yellow? No. Okay. Well, a little bit. Oh. Not noticeably.
Oh. He's got fucking orange on his cheek.
Did it bounce up on you? You bad shot me! I was fucking aiming at your chest. Oh.
That was good, that was good.
Because the sights shoot high, so I was like...